Hi everyone, it's Jimmy at SurvAid, and in this video we're going to have a look at the connectivity sketch in the Manhole Inspection app. Right then, this is what happens when you tap on the connectivity sketch button in the Manhole Inspection app. This screen will appear and it will allow you to create diagrams that show how various nodes feed into the current manhole that you're interested in, and then how things get affected downstream as well. So this is how it starts out. I'm using a physical iPhone for this demo with the screen mirrored up onto my monitor here, but it works just the same on Android devices and on all sorts of different screen sizes like phones and tablets and stuff. So to start off with, we can see that there's a circle in the middle of the bottom half of the screen, which signifies the manhole that we're interested in right now. And if I tap my finger on there and hold it down, you can see that it grows, and as I drag and move my finger around on the device, then the circle moves as well. And as soon as I let go, it goes back to its normal size and stays put. So if we want to represent an incoming node on this diagram, then we tap on the incoming button at the top left hand side. You can see it's added an arrow with another circle with a blue dot on there as well. So the arrow is purple at the moment. If I hold my finger onto that little blue dot, I can drag it around, same as I did with that circle, to position this where I need it to be. And when it is, I'll just tap the back of the diagram and the arrow goes red and the dot disappears, which means it's inactive and is now fixed in place. But if I need to move that again, I can just tap on it again. It goes purple with the blue dot, and then drag it around to position it wherever I want it to be. So sometimes you want nodes coming in, sometimes you just want an arrow to point into the manhole that we're on at the moment. So I'll tap the in arrow button, and it's the same thing but without the circle basically, and I can tap my finger on the blue dot again and drag that round to where it needs to be as well. It's the same principle for outgoing. If I want an outgoing node, I'll tap the outgoing button and drag that where I want it to be, and then I can do an out arrow as well and drag that one around. If when you start adding incoming outgoing nodes you realize that you need to reposition the central one, the one that we're interested in now, you can still tap and hold on that, and it will, as you drag it around, all the arrows that are coming in and out will just rejig themselves so they're always pointing to or from the center of that circle. We can add labels, so if you want to put things like the manhole IDs in there, you can. Once the keyboard is done, tap on the back of the diagram again, and it's pretty much the same as the central circle. Tap and hold finger on there, and then once it gets bigger you can drag the label around to where you want it to be. If you need to edit that for any reason, you can tap on it again and it will pop up above the keyboard and go back to where it came from once you dismiss the keyboard. The arrows and nodes and text for that matter can be deleted if you've put one in there in error. Just tap on one to make it active, and then all the other buttons are grayed out, just leaving the delete button glowing up there. If we tap on that, it will ask you if you're sure because it can't be undone, and then if we OK it, then that particular element is gone. So quite simple but effective. Lots of people have said that they've saved loads of time with this. So there are articles on our help center that go into it in more detail as well. There's other videos on the YouTube channel. This is just one of 5 sketch components in the Manhole Inspection app, which you can use to do various tasks like this. Hope that was useful. Any questions, feel free to get in touch and I'll help you out, and happy surveying.